will be very beneficial for you. So let us start our new session with class 10th subject chemistry, and the topic is type of chemical reaction. Types of chemical reaction. So dear students, there are so many types of chemical reaction. There are so many types of chemical reaction, and first of all, we will categorize all the type of chemical reactions which all are in our syllabus of class 10th. And let's take one by one. First, combination reaction. Second one is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. Third one, displacement reaction. Fourth one is redox reaction. And another type of reactions is exothermic reaction. And next one is endothermic reaction. Okay. So there are so many types which are in our syllabus of class 10th chemistry. Students, this session is going to very interactive and very beneficial for you. So stay with me, keep watching, keep following me. Let us take one by one. Combination, decomposition. Decomposition reactions have three types. Number one is thermal decomposition. Number two, light decomposition. And number third, electric decomposition. Okay. Also, displacement reactions are also two types. This is single displacement and another one is double displacement. Okay. This is the introduction of our today's topic. Let us start with the combination reaction. To understand the combination reactions, let's perform a small activity to understand the combination reaction. What is the meaning of combination and what is happen in combination reaction? So let us start with an activity. First of all, I need a magnesium ribbon. You know, this is the magnesium ribbon. Okay. First of all, tear the magnesium ribbon from the foil. Okay. This is the piece of magnesium ribbon. Students, before using the magnesium ribbon, we have to clean it with the sandpaper. We have to clean it sandpaper. Okay, why? And the question may strike in your mind, why should we clean the magnesium ribbon before using it? Because students, you know that magnesium is a moderately reactive metal. We can say it is also a very reactive metal in some cases, but it's a moderately reactive metal. Magnesium, when it exposed to air, it reacts with oxygen. And it forms a protective layer around itself. Magnesium reacts with environmental oxygen and it forms oxide layer around itself. And this oxide layer makes the magnesium less reactive for further reaction. So we have to clean it before using the magnesium metal. So turn on the light and okay. This is magnesium ribbon. I am going to burn it in the flame, Bunsen flame. Let us see what will happen. It takes few seconds to burn. See students, this is magnesium ribbon. It's burning in the presence of air. Magnesium ribbon burns with white dazzling flame. It burns with a, you can see, it burns with white dazzling flame. Now it's completely burned, and I take ash of magnesium ribbon in a porcelain cup. You can see this. After burning, it will convert like a burning of a piece of paper. Okay. This will totally a new compound is formed, and we also can check the property of this compound. It will check after few minutes. First of all, what we have observed in this activity. Okay, I am trying to explain the combination reaction. What will happen in our activity? Students, we take magnesium ribbon and we burn it in the presence of air, oxygen. It will burn. After the burning of magnesium ribbon in air, it will convert into magnesium oxide. So the material which this material is magnesium oxide in the porcelain cup. Okay, बैलेंसिंग हम पहले से कर चुके हैं, तो बैलेंस इसको कर लेते हैं. Now this reaction is totally balanced. So what will happen in this activity? What do you observe in this activity? You observe that magnesium combining with oxygen and give a product. So students, the reaction in which two or more substances are combined to each other. आपको अलग से लर्न करने की जरूरत नहीं है. बच्चे थोड़े से हेक्टिक हो जाते हैं. हेक्टिक क्यों हो जाते हैं कि सर केमिस्ट्री में बहुत सारी रिएक्शंस होती हैं, बहुत सारे कंपाउंड्स फॉर्म होते हैं, और इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू मेमोराइज दिस लॉट ऑफ द रिएक्शंस. तो देयर इज नो बॉदर अबाउट इट. आई विल ट्राई टू हैंडल योर प्रॉब्लम. सी, कॉम्बिनेशन, इस वर्ड के अंदर ही आपके क्वेश्चन का आंसर है. What is the meaning of combination? What is the meaning of combination? Combination means when two and more substances are combined to each other and give a single unit, give a single product. These type of reactions are combination reactions. Likewise, you can see this is the pen, this is the cap of the pen. These are two, we can say these are the two substances. When these two substances are combined to each other, this will give a pen. Okay, pen with cap. So this is a combination. When two or more substances are combined to each other and give a single product, these type of reactions are known as combination reaction. We can also take some few more examples to understand the combination reaction. Let us take, I am going to take, this is, you can see this is lime water, okay, and this is colorless liquid, lime water. Okay, I am going to pour some lime water in a dry test tube. You can see that. ठीक है, इसमें मैंने थोड़ा सा lime water इसमें ले लिया. Okay, and the formula of lime water is calcium hydroxide. Chemically, it is known as calcium hydroxide. It is also known as lime water. This is a blowpipe. I can blow the. See, observe carefully. You are observing that this colorless liquid is converted into milky color. ठीक है? What we did? We take calcium hydroxide in a test tube and we blow. Which gas is released out during the process of our respiration? Yes, this is carbon dioxide. When carbon dioxide gas passes through the lime water solution, it turns it into milky color. Why do this show? Let us understand. Calcium carbonate, this is known as lime water also. Calcium hydroxide plus carbon dioxide. When we pass the carbon dioxide in lime water solution, it gives calcium carbonate. It gives calcium carbonate. And due to formation of calcium carbonate, the colorless lime water is turns into milky color. तो मिल्की कलर का जो सब्सटेंस यहां पे है वो कौन है? वो कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट है. अंडरस्टैंड? अब इसका डेली लाइफ में क्या यूज है हमारे स्टूडेंट्स? कई बार आपने देखा होगा कि जो व्हाइट वॉश करते हैं तो मार्केट से हम चूना परचेज करके लाते हैं. चूना आपने देखा होगा व्हाइट पाउडर होता है, पैकेट्स के अंदर मिलता है. और जो व्हाइट वॉश करते हैं जो लेबर है वो उसको पहले उसमें वाटर में, हम भी कर लेते हैं कई बार, वाटर के अंदर डिजोल्व कर लेते हैं. जब हम उस स्लैक लाइम को, कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड को, व्हाइट पाउडर को वाटर के अंदर डिजोल्व करते हैं तो दिस विल गिव लाइम वाटर. हमारे पास आ गया लाइम वाटर. अब हम इसको क्या कर देते हैं? पोत देते हैं दीवारों पे. लेकिन आपने नोटिस किया होगा, यू हैव नोटिस दैट initially when we apply the lime water on the walls, the finishing and shining is not appear. We can say this is look like shabby. We can sometimes we can say this is not so good. अच्छा नहीं हुआ, मजा नहीं है मतलब इस व्हाइट वॉश का. लेकिन आफ्टर 4 to 5 hours or 1 or 2 days, finishing and shining appears on the wall. Why? It is happen. Students, जब हमने उसको पोता है तो वो हमारे पास कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड है, दीवारों पे कर दिया हमने. अब वो कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड जो है इन्वायरमेंटल कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के कांटेक्ट में आता रहता है. कॉन्टिन्यूसली कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड तो हम भी रिलीज करते हैं कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. अब कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड जब कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के कांटेक्ट में आता है तो ये कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट देता है. एंड दिस इज व्हाइट मिल्की कलर सब्सटेंस. अब फिनिशिंग और शाइनिंग आने लगती है. अब तो हमारी दीवारें सफेद सफेद व्हाइट दिखाई देती है लाइक दिस. और एक पपड़ी सी हार्ड एक सरफेस भी वहां पे क्रिएट हो जाती है. इजिली चूना के बाद झड़ता भी रहता है. दिस इज द कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट. तो दिस इज ऑल्सो ए टाइप ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन. यू कैन सी 2 or more substances are combined. In this reaction only 2 substances are combining. 2 substances or ज्यादा भी हो सकते हैं. 2 or more substances are combined to each other and they give a single product. This type of reactions are known as combination reaction. We also can take few more examples of the combination reactions. You can see this is copper. Copper is a brown colored, shiny brown colored substance. This is shiny brown colored substance. When it heats like magnesium in air, it turns into cupric oxide. Cupric oxide, and it's a grey color substance. Let us see. ये भी परफॉर्म करके देख लेते हैं. These are the copper wire. Some copper wire in my hand. You can see copper wire, shiny brown color. Let us start heating the copper wire and check the colors of this wire. What will happen? You can see this wire is totally burned and it changed into grey color substance. तो brown जो color element है वो copper है. When it react with oxygen, it gives cupric oxide. It is grey color substance. Understand? So these are the types of examples of combination reactions. So again, I will repeat. Combination reactions, the reaction in which two or more substances are combined to each other and give a single product. These type of reactions are known as combination reactions.